All right, so we're coming down a fairway. This happens all the time, and maybe you get a little nervous because you look down this fairway. It's not that wide. There's tons of engines sticking up. It's like running the gauntlet here. And of course, you realize somebody's in your dock space. You came to the wrong place, and you've got to turn the boat around. Well, obviously, one of the things you do is back down. That would be another option. But maybe for whatever reason, you've got to turn the boat around in here. This is one of the reasons we always teach folks how to pivot or spin the boat around, and then basically trying to spin the boat around and keeping it in one spot. So I've got the wind blowing a bit from left to right or port to starboard, so I'm going to use that to my advantage. Did wheel right, forward gear, now wheel left and reverse. One of the things to remember here is this is much like if I was doing a K-turn in a car. I've got to basically do a lot of turns with the wheel. So right now I just did a wheel right forward, I did a wheel left and reverse, I'm doing a wheel right and forward, I'm doing a wheel left and reverse. It's a lot of turns, a lot of shifting. I'm going to do one more wheel left and a wheel to my port and reverse. And I'm just trying to give myself some space when I know I got to make that final turn and leave. There's my final wheel right and forward. And now I can just adjust my wheel out of here. And I did my 180, my pivot, and I can leave the marina. A lot of turns. I might have just turned that wheel 8-10 times. Shift position about 8-10 as well. A lot of patience. Don't get excited. Be just fine.